In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay Alibaba with a Payoneer. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you haven't done so already, go to Alibaba and create an order, and then go to the checkout section once you've created that order. So I'm just going to put in a random product here into my cart. So I'm going to click onto this. Alright, I'm going to start an order, 50 pieces, start order, and then click on continue to order. I'm going to put these, right, there we go. Continue to my order, and then put in your shipping address, and then you'll be brought to the payment section, so fill out all this if you haven't done so already. Alright, now it's loading the payment. Alright, so add a new card. So what you want to do, you want to put in your card number here of your Payoneer card. So it's these 16 digits here, and then put in your given names and surname. Put in the expiry date here, which is located here, expiry month and year, and then put in the CVV or CVC number, which is located on the front or back of the card. Once you've done that, click on proceed to pay, and you've successfully paid Alibaba with your Payoneer account or card, sorry.